Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The captain of Team More Agenda in Delta State, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori, has kicked against the ugly trend by some political leaders who abandoned projects initiated by previous governments and called for the investment of government funds in providing meaningful development for the people, regardless of who takes the glory and credit for such projects. The governor buttressed the need for continuity in governance recently as he went round the state to commission some projects he inherited and completed from the immediate past administration as part of activities marking his 100 days in office.
Governor Sheriff Oborevwori was at different locations in the state to commission critical projects as he commemorates his 100th day in office. Some of the projects commissioned include the 29 networks of roads with drains of over 31 km length around Madonna College Road in Asaba and Okpanam area of Oshimili South and Oshimili North local government areas. The governor was also at Dennis Osadebe University, Anwai Asaba, where he commissioned a 500-seater main auditorium and a double 250-seater auditorium, administrative building, Faculty of Agriculture, the VC's Lodge, among other completed projects. He promised Deltans that his administration will not just bring on board new projects, but will ensure the speedy completion of ongoing ones in the state.
Under the more agenda of this administration, we are poised to raise the bar when it comes to road and physical infrastructure, as well as urban renewal. I assure you that the coming months and years will witness accelerated infrastructural development of the most vital interest and impact.
Special Advisor to the Governor on Community Development, Chief Anthony Ofoni, says the swift completion of the commissioned projects became imperative for the government because of the yearnings of the people.
The people here, they have been complaining about this road, so he focused and he put all the concentration on this road to help the community here.
A youth leader in Oshimili South local government area, where the governor commissioned roads and drainages, Obunike Ikechukwu, believes that the projects will impact all the communities around the axis. The Vice-Chancellor of Dennis Osadebe University, while thanking the governor, said the institution will contribute to nation building.
Before now, if you come here, the roads, the vehicles for one, this is a highbrow area. They're all bumpy, erosion will take the people, gets to people's homes and all that. But now you can see that is gone.
While responding to the allegations of non-performance by the administration of Governor Oborevwori under 100 days, former chairperson of the SDP in Delta State and his counterpart of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC, Honorable Emeka Bidoku, told Inside the Niger Delta recently that the performance of the governor in just 100 days is nothing short of outstanding. They therefore called on the opposition APC in the state to steer clear of the campaign of calumny against the person and government of Oborevwori.
Every other party is in IPAC. What we do is that we look at things critically, and whenever we want to come up with any criticism, we come up with constructive ones, not the ones that would do, not antagonizing the state.
Immediately he got to office, he swung into action, inspected ongoing projects, inaugurated new projects. He also went as far as recruiting teachers for the schools that will lack teachers. What he also did was that he paid all arrears, the promotion arrears of civil servants. At the same time, the pension of the primary school teachers, he has already made arrangement for. At the same time, the palliative in Delta State, 2 billion has been released from federal, but the governor has approved 10 billion for Delta for palliative.
The Delta State Governor, Right Honorable Oborevwori, who took charge of government affairs in the state barely 3 months ago, has already begun to deliver on his promise to provide meaningful development, opportunities for all, realistic reforms and enhanced peace and security for all Deltans.
Inside the Niger Delta.